AI agents don't just work randomly. They follow smart patterns, like recipes bringing order to chaos. Design patterns are proven ways AI agents think and act to accomplish tasks, making them reliable and powerful. First, reflection. An agent checks its own output, loops, and improves before sharing a final answer. Like a student reviewing their exam before submission, spotting mistakes and making corrections. Next is tool use. Agents tap into APIs, calculators, and search engines to gather information beyond what they know. Just like a researcher using Google and Excel to dig up facts and run numbers. The third pattern is planning. Agents break big tasks into smaller steps and map out what comes first, next, and last. Like an architect designing a building before construction begins, building a blueprint for solving the challenge. Finally, multi-agent systems. Several agents collaborate, each focusing on a specific skill. Picture a hospital. Doctors, nurses, and specialists all working together, each bringing unique expertise. How do these patterns combine? Research competitors and create a report. Plan steps. Use tools for data, reflect on results, and collaborate with other agents. These patterns boost accuracy, enable automation, and make AI scalable, turning simple agents into powerful teammates. Recap, reflection, self-checking, tool use, working with resources, planning, step-by-step thinking, multi-agent systems, digital teamwork. For more insights on building smarter AI, like and subscribe. The world of AI is just getting started. This is just the beginning and more to come on the channel. Thank you and see you next video. Multi-agent systems explained. Until then, stay fit and healthy.